Hi everyone, this is Wani and welcome to Wani's house. I am so excited to be participating in Tori Toss 2016 Spring Cleaning Collaboration. So Tori asked us to showcase an area in our home that we were cleaning, what was our problem areas, as well as how we plan on keeping the area clean. So the area that I'm going to share with you guys is my blinds in my kitchen. My kitchen blinds is one of the most neglected areas in my home, and I don't neglect anything, but those blinds are disgusting. So I had to think out the box when I was trying to figure out how to take the blinds down, and I couldn't figure out how to take the blinds down. And so I had to become very, very creative. So you're going to be really surprised at the items that I use that clean my blinds. So if this is an issue that you have, or that you are regretting or dreading tackling, I'm going to show you something that is so simple and so easy. You're going to be like, why didn't I think of that? So guys, sit back, enjoy, and I hope you find this tip very, very helpful. Guys, so here is my window that's in my kitchen area. And these are the blinds that I'm tackling. And as you see, this is my nonsense. I'm being like really, really real with you guys. I can't even believe I'm showing you guys this. But this is one area that I always neglect to dust. And you would think because I'm in the kitchen all the time, this would be one of the areas that I would dust frequently, and I don't. So, but because now this dirt and buildup here is it's sticky and it's dusty, and I've tried using just a magic eraser on it with some water. That didn't work. And I've tried using just some bleach and a little bit of vinegar. That didn't work. But you're going to be surprised with what actually worked. So stay tuned. These are the items that I am using to clean that dirty, grimy, these wooden blinds here. So I have some simple, this is just some hot water with a drop of dishwashing liquid in it. I have my imitation magic eraser, these that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And I have some scrubbing bubbles. Guys, I was just blown away by this. And how I came up with this was, I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube about taking down your blinds and spraying them with the Easy Off, taking them outside and spraying them with the Easy Off, and then spray washing them clean. Now, I would have done that, but I couldn't figure out how to get these blinds down. So I had to come up with an alternative. And I thought, and I said, well, I'm just going to have to shoot this video and clean them the old-fashioned way with a toothbrush. But then I started thinking, what else cleans up dirt? And I thought about my scrubbing bubbles. This is one of my favorite products that I use to clean my bathroom with. And so it cleans up perfectly. And I just wanted to see how it actually would clean on these blinds here. So I'm going to show you this part right here of the blinds is what I have cleaned with it. And the only thing I did was I sprayed the scrubbing bubbles on the blinds, and then I got my eraser here and went over it, and it came off very, very easily. Now here's the difference. If you can kind of see, you see that mess right there? And then look at this right here. Okay, so I'm going to let you see me. I'm going to do the next two blinds, which are these two right here. And you see how grimy these are. And you'll see the after results. So watch me tackle this. It's going to be so easy, guys.
Now here I have sprayed the scrubbing bubbles here at the top part of these blinds. I'm just going to simply wash it off with the clean magic eraser. Now here are my very clean blinds. Guys, if I tell you how easy this cleaning process was, you really would not believe it. This total process took me about 8 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, and that's because I literally went from blind to blind and thoroughly cleaned and wiped down and sprayed each blind. So you can definitely tell the difference of the before that I showed you and the after here. Now the question is, how will I prevent this from happening again? Well, now my cleaning schedules, every Friday I clean house. That's just my cleaning day. Always has been. But now I will add the dusting part to my cleaning ritual. And I'll just make sure that I get all the dust particles off of each blind, as well as off of the individual blades of the blind on both sides. And I think that I will be able to delete this ever being a chore again. Now if it does, I do know what works now. I will always have my scrubbing bubbles handy, as well as my magic eraser, and I can go ahead and just tackle that task then. Now because these blinds are in the kitchen, as splatters happen with grease and oils and things, I'll just go over them so they won't be any buildup. Who knew that by using these items that you probably already have in your home could make these ugly blinds brand new again? So guys, I hope you found these tips very, very helpful, and that if you have this problem, now that you know, you have a solution that can easily clean them. I want to thank Tori for inviting me to participate in this collaboration. I also ask you, if this is your first time visiting Wani's house, please subscribe. I would love to have you here. Also, if you have a comment, leave me a comment below, and don't forget to hit the like button. So guys, I have more blinds to clean, but before I go, you know what I always say: the next time you're in town, you can always stop by Wani's house. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.